This is the elevator at 1670 Golden Mile Highway, Arbors Management in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. I think Google Maps had Plum, I'll figure that out. It's a Dover Oildraulic traditional from the 80s. The button's very cracked. Door took a second, I think it's on a new door operator. The Dover door there, it's a very dark cab. Up to 2, here you up. Here 2. Back on the 1. 88 phone, a wrap. Not heard of that one. Certificate 1994. This is definitely not from 1994. It's a basic figurine over cab here. Back at 1 has like a fluorescent light, so it's kind of dim. Yeah, this is probably, it has the like the 70s. No, actually, no, it has more like the IVO motor. It's probably early 80s. Yeah, closing, that's gonna be it.